Jotano Funkaham, Tini 17th May 2022. Tini ni Shalanka Belaike Laibuma Snamzakne Sal, Chini Tiprahaste, Tiprasar Nibagai, Tamnibagi Himalaya, Tini Chini Hasteni Bubagra, Pradut Bikram Kishore Manikko, Tipramotani Chairman, Tinini Sharik Damsini Jorawo, Ebakeba 7 PM Jorawo, Palace of Westminster, Parliament of United Kingdom, London, Kobokzagui, 30 minutes ni Koknaraknai, Tini Bini Koknarakmani topic Unka, Ebakeba agenda Unka, Monarchy to Democracy, Ebakeba Rastantra Nishimi, Gonatantra Jara. Abonato ye tini Belaike honorary speech, Palace of Westminster, Parliament of United Kingdom, London, Koknaraknani Joramanai. Tebo Tiniwo, Chungjoton Shaimano, Chini Modern Tripurani, Snamnaisha, Chini Hasteni Paithak, Ruling Bubagra, Bir Bikram Kishore Manikko, Boni Langmaya Karmani Shal, Aboni Bagri Bono Jengbele Beleke Bini Yang Langmaya Karmani Shalo, Boromia Faru, Tebo Palace of Westminster, Parliament of United Kingdom, Bubagra, Koknarakmani Yagulo, London no Tekesha program Bubagra Manjagnai, Abonka Bridge India program, Ideas for Indian Conference, Abo 18 May Nisimi Chengnai, O Jagabo Speaker Songui, Manjagnai Roni Bishingo, Chini Bubagra Kroksa, Paidi Sabsabar Speaker Songi Manjagnai Abonosang Nalainai. Lord Ahmed of Wimbledon, Minister of State, Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office. Bonipore Angelina Rayner, Deputy Leader, Labour Party, England. Rajesh Agarwal, Deputy Mayor, London. Bonipore K.T. Ramarao, Minister of Municipal Administration and Urban Development Industries, Commerce and IT, Government of Telangana. Bonipore Lord John Brown, Chairman, Beyond Net Zero. Bonipore Salman Khurshid, former Minister of External Affairs, Government of India. Levik Jain, founder and CEO, Logically. Bonipore Speaker Bishinga Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament, Trinamool Congress. Bonipore Ritu Kapoor, co-founder and CEO, The Quint. Bonipore Tejaswi Yadav, Leader Rashtriya Janata Dal, Bihar. Bonipore Chini Bubagra Pradyut Manikya, Chairman, The Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance. Bonipore Sitaram Yechuri, General Secretary, CPIM. Bonipore Pankaj Munjal, MD and Chairman, Hero Cycle. Dr. Manish Malhotra, Founder and Chairman, ATMC Education Group. Rahul Roy Chaudhary, Senior Fellow South Asia, IISS. Abhinandan Sekhri, Co-Founder, News Laundry. Salil Sethi, Senior Fellow, Harvard University. Bonipore Professor Peter Francis, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Birmingham City University. Bonipore Lee Ong, Project Director, International Investment, Hamburg Invest. James Quinn, CEO, Faradinu. Bonipore Sam Cockrell, CEO and Founder, Leverage FPE. Bonipore Neil Kogan, CEO, Asset Coal. Bonipore Amitabh Behar, CEO, Oxfam India. Bonipore Manoj Kumar Jha, Member of Parliament, RJD. Manipore Bankim Chandra, CEO, dot square. Monipore Kognar Nairun Bishingo Sanjay Suri Europe editor CN IBM. Monipore Harjinder Kang Chief Negotiator UK India Free Trade Agreement Department for International Trade. Monipore Kate Jackson Chairman Ilika. Monipore Nikhil Arora BP International and MD Good Eddie India. Monipore Latasha Malik Partnership Director What 3 Word. Monipore Paithago Manish Singh Chief Investment Officer Gosbridge Capital. Monipore Gosbridge Capital. Monipore Paithago Nakarsana Paithago Navadip Sharma Director ND Care Nirugam Private Limited. Nomorongka speakers David Bonipore Ideas for Indian Conference ni 18th May ni salo 18 May 2022 puilani salo 18 May 2022 puilani salo Kognar Naironi Bishingo Kognar Naironi Bishingo Kemorok je Kognar Naironi Bishingo Pilani sal second sal ang sanai poronan nang sanai sinane agenda Pilani salo 10 AM nisimi 5 PM jora programs je agenda aborok tongnai foreign delegations visit to Birmingham City University and Commonwealth Games facilities. Visit to Birmingham for ideas for India delegates and foreign guests to explore academic and sports collaborations in Birmingham. Birmingham City University was designated as a polytechnic in 1971 and gained university status in 1992. From 28 July to 8 August, the city will be host to the 2022 Commonwealth Games and international multi-sports events for members of the Commonwealth, with some of the incredible facilities subsequently being used by the BCU. Okay, Professor Peter Francis, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Birmingham City University, bo pandakom tengnai asalo Bonipore bo tuidulnai bandana day 2 19th May 2022 day 2 wo 10 AM to 10:30 AM करके arrivals and coffee 10:30 AM to 4 PM जरा करके ना plenary Commonwealth Education Conference in partnership with ATMC and powered by ISDCL Global 1:30 PM to 3:45 PM के parallel session policy forum in partnership with 1928 Institute and Samruddha Bharat Foundation. O jaga kok narnai rongni bisingo tongnai Priyajit Dev Sarkar, Geopolitical Analyst, Rahul Roy Chaudhary, Senior Fellow South Asia IISS, Pradyut Manikya, Chini Bubagra, Chairman, the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, Tripura, Manipore, Angela Rainer, Deputy Leader, Labour Party of London. Okay, Gurdeep Singh Sappal, former CU, Rajya Sabha TV. Oro Panda, Kok Narak Lainai Rongni Bisingo, Korok Tham, Korok Buri, Korok Ba. Priyajit Dev Sarkar, Political Analyst, Koroksa, Rahul Roy Chaudhary, Senior Fellow South Asia IISS. Pradyut Manikya Chini Bubagra, Chairman Tripurani. Tei Angelina Rainer, Deputy Leader England ni Deputy Leader Labour Party ni. Gurudeep Singh Sappal, former CEO Rajya Sabha TV. Nge Friday boni pore bu Panda 6:30 PM to 10 PM. Invites only award House of Commons in partnership with WBR Crop or K.T. Rama Rao, Telangana Corruption Minister, Minister for Municipal Administration and Urban Development, Industries, Commerce and IT Commerce of Telangana. Amongka Day 2 ni program, Day 3 ni Day 3 Saltham Sal ni Paithak ni 20 May 2022 ni Panda Butang Rongka 8:30 AM to 9:15 AM ke arrivals and coffee 9:15 AM to 9:30 AM ke welcome address Arniwa Sanjay Shuri, Europe editor CNN IBN Monaragnai. Mone pore plenary ideas for India. What does the next 25 years mean for India? India ni bagai final 25 years so tamo planning tong abna teinai kok salai nai ronu bisingongka Salil Shetty, Abhinandan Sokgwi, Sitaram Yechuri, General Secretary CPIM, Salil Shetty hingga Harvard University ni Senior Fellow, Abhinandan Sokgwi hingga Co-founder, News Laundry, Mone pore Tejasvi Yadav, Leader Rajya Sabha, Leader Rashtriya Janata Dal Bihar, Mohua Moitra, Member of Parliament Trinamool Congress, Salman Khurshid, former Minister of External Affairs, Government of India, Congress ni leader, a Supreme Court ni koroksa lawyer. Mone pore 10:15 AM to 10:11 AM. Plenary ideas placed in the world. Arongke Abhinandan Sokgwi, co-founder News Laundry, Sitaram Yechuri, General Secretary CPIM. Mone pore tei kongnaron ni bisingo Navdeep Sharma, Director ND Care, Nirugam Private Limited, Manish Singh, Chief Investor Officer, Gross Breeze Capital, Latasha Malik, Partnership Director, What 3 Words, Larry Zen, Founder and CEO, Logically. Mone pore take a program meeting Universal Standard of Sustainable Development 2:30 PM to 3 PM Jorakhe Manoj Kumar Jha, Rajya Sabha MP, Rashtriya Janata Dal, Amitabh Behar, CEO, Oxfam India, Lily Ong, Project Director, International Investment, Hamburg Invest. Mone pore take a program 3 PM to 3:45 PM. Plenary Route to India Net Zero in partnership with Asset Cool. Arongke Kate Jackson, Neil Kogan, CEO Asset Cool, Sam Cockrell, CEO and founder Liberatin FPE. Mone pore Lyric Zen, founder and CEO Logically. Mone pore take a program Ideas as a Technology Powerhouse. Orokok narnai rongka Bankim Chandra, CEO Squares. Dr. Monish Malhotra, founder and chairman ATMC Education Group. Rajesh Agarwal, Deputy Mayor, London. Mone pore Paithak ni program 7:30 PM to 10:30 PM ni kognaragnai Black Tie Dinner celebrating India's 75th anniversary in partnership with Feradian. O jaga kognaragnai kha Nikhil Arora, BP International and MD Go Daddy India. Harjinder Kang, Chief Negotiator UK India Free Trade Agreement Department for International Trade. James Quinn, CEO Faradino. Pankaj Munjal, MD and Chairman Hero Cycle. Ritu Kapoor, Co-founder and CEO The Quint. Lord John Brown, Chairman Beyond Net Zero. Lord Ahmed Wimbledon, Minister of State, Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Officer. Hambai. kamongkha Bubagra puila tinini salo 17th May 2022 tinini salo 7 PM sarik damsini jorao honorary speech monarchy to democracy topic no tuyei cognareknai abono sung tini nailainai tebo aboni yagulo 18 to 20 May jora kaisa international program Bubagra manjaknai arnibo cognareknai 19 May ni salo Bubagra ni cognarak janai program kalaika ok saklaina bagai jotoni buskang phaika hambai jotona kaham kurung tongbai di ti prasa jotona thansa tongdi tei sini global leader sini hawo sing Bubagra no manmani bagai sing teibo wan Sokgwi teibo sian gnangui teibo hos gnangui Bubagra no sobalainai phaidi e Bubagra ni kok thairna sa khanawi bosilainai tinni sarigo hambai